Hey, welcome back guys. Today we're going to be showing you an amazing hack to laser engrave photos onto black slate using a very easy and quick secret hack. And this secret hack, it is going to blow your mind on how easy it actually is. So the first step I like to do, I just get my photo ready. Now this can easily be done with something like Photoshop, but today we're going to be using Imgur. Now Imgur is a website that does allow you to prepare images for laser engraving on almost any material, and it's completely free of charge. Now I will show you my preferred settings in a moment, so stick around for them. And I'd like to give a big shout out to Joseph over on Facebook. He was a massive help with me with getting my settings just right for this. And obviously the better the photo you use, the better the results. So I'm going to be using a high-res photo of Travis Barker. It's one I just found online. All it takes is a couple of clicks and you are ready to go. You just upload, crop, resize, increase the DPI to at least 300 and choose your material. And here I'm going to go with the Norton Black Slate method. I'll sharpen it and then I'll download. I'll be using laser GRBL as I will be engraving this with my 5-watt diode laser. And once the image is imported, we can start looking at the settings. I set it up here with 12 layers per millimeter, 5500 millimeters per minute, and with a dynamic power with a max of 700. I'll click OK, and then we're ready to start engraving. But before we do need to prepare our slate with our secret ingredient. And there we go, it's black paint, guys. We need to apply black paint onto the black slate. Now this might seem counterintuitive, but it will help to bring out the engraving details once the laser hits it so much better. Now make sure to apply the paint evenly and let it dry completely before you start the engraving process. We don't want any smudges or imperfections, and I'll be using spray paint as I find it easier to get a nice even coat. And as you see, all I'm using is an acrylic gloss black paint, which I got from an automotive store. And once the paint is dry, we are ready to start the laser engraving process. We will use a laser engraver to burn away the black paint and revealing the natural color of the slate underneath. And we will also go in a little bit deeper as well, just to bring them highlights out. So if you look from the image there, where it's black, the laser hasn't really touched it. And then you've got your grays where it's just taken away that black paint. And then your whites are the highlights. And that's there when the dynamic power comes into play. So it won't just burn at 0 or 700. It'll be dynamic. So it'll go in between those ranges, like I said, just to get the shadows and the highlights to work brilliantly with this method. Now, as you can see, the laser engraver creates a beautiful contrast between the black paint and the natural slate color. This technique is perfect for creating stunning photos or designs on slate, and they will last a lifetime. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, guys, for more amazing tips and tricks like this. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Ta-ra now.